Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by saving work and closing apps because restarting services can end unsaved tasks. Open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC. Find Windows Explorer, right-click and choose Restart to refresh the shell. Once done, if the Start menu still won't open, use File Run New Task and type Explorer. EXE then press Enter to relaunch the interface. This forces the desktop and shell to rebuild. Make sure to watch for errors in Task Manager that indicate stuck processes or resource spikes. Now you repair underlying system components that keep the Start menu responsive. Right-click Start, choose Windows Terminal or PowerShell as administrator, then run sfc/scano to detect and replace corrupted files. This addresses many shell failures. If SFC reports problems it cannot fix, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the Windows image, then run SFC again. Once these commands complete, restart the PC to apply changes and test the Start menu. This sequence fixes integrity issues that simple restarts won't resolve. To finish, isolate profile problems by creating a new local user and signing in. If the Start menu works there, your original profile is corrupted. If profile isn't the issue, reset Start-related optional features or settings using Settings apps and re-register Start components with PowerShell commands if needed. Make sure to back up key files before deeper fixes. If none of these steps restore Start, perform a system restore to a known good point or an in-place repair install. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.